multiplex possible. They are very special to all of us here. I would now like to call upon the Minister of Cultural Affairs, Mr. Satish Tripathi. Can we have you on stage, please? Right here. I'm just going to call out the names, and we would like to thank them and acknowledge their effort in making this Fame Ad Labs possible. Mr. Satish Tripathi, of course, Mr. Govind Swaru, Mr. Jayavant Parab, Secretary of Bharati Kamgar Sena, Mrs.
Distinguished members on the dais, ladies and gentlemen, I consider this to be a great privilege to be asked to come here this evening at the inauguration of yet another facility being put up by Mr. Manmohan Shetty. Mr. Manmohan Shetty has been very gracious and kind to me. Every time he starts a new venture, he makes it a point to invite me at its inauguration. I'm deeply indebted to him for thinking me worthy enough for this occasion.
So I would request, I would request the audience to please move a little behind and clear the ground for our special guest to move. Can the audience please clear up? This multiplex possible. They are very special to all of us here. I would now like to call upon the Minister of Cultural Affairs, Mr. Satish Tripathi. Can we have you on stage, please?